When it comes to maintaining your lawn, you want the best looking result with the least amount of effort, right? Well, nothing makes the job of mowing the lawn easier than having the right lawnmower. Hi, I'm Skip BEDELL, and I'm here to tell you about the latest in battery-operated lawnmowers from the leading brand in the industry. For years, Ego has been the #1 rated battery-operated lawnmower. Proven to cut just as well, if not better, than gas-powered competitors, without any of the fuss, fumes, or noise. Now they've taken all that industry-leading technology to a whole new level. This is the new Ego Power Plus 21-inch Select Cut Mower with touch drive self-propelled technology. Like its predecessors, the Ego mower is known for its compact storage, one-handed 3-level position height adjustment, push-button start, LED headlights, brushless motor, and a 56-volt ARC lithium battery. The most powerful, longest-lasting battery in the industry. And with over 60 minutes of runtime, that means you'll be able to cut your entire lawn on a single charge. Ego's self-propelled capability makes it easier than ever before to move across the lawn with minimal effort. With the new touch drive technology, you simply dial in your speed setting, touch either trigger, and you're moving. And with 11 different speed increments, you can find the perfect pace to get the job done quickly or with a casual stroll. It even functions without blade rotation for ease of returning your mower to its storage place. The 21-inch mower with the new Select Cut multi-blade cutting system is equipped with 2 interchangeable lower blades, the Edge Premium Mulching Blade and the Edge Premium Bagging Blade. The Premium Mulching Blade is ideal for weekly mowing and gives you the cut quality and runtime you expect from a high-end lawnmower. The Premium Bagging Blade is a heavy-duty blade that turns grass into fine fragments, ideal for both bagging and mulching for a lush, healthy lawn. The standard Ego Edge upper blade is used in combination with the lower blade chosen to slice grass into fine fragments, leaving you with a finely sculpted lawn that'll have your yard looking like a golf course. The new Ego Select Cut Mower with touch drive is easy to set up and easy to use. And with a 7-position height adjustment, you're guaranteed to get the perfect cut every time. Not only will you have fun mowing your lawn, but with better cut quality than ever before, you're going to be looking forward to it.